Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women stylish shoes designs, beautiful shoes designs. Every types of shoes you can see in this my video. New and trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs, casual wear shoes designs, party wear shoes designs, soft and comfort shoes designs you can see in this my video. Every types of shoes you can see in this my video. Most beautiful, most attractive designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Low price shoes designs, high quality shoes designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Latest fashion ideas. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of shoes design. Soft and beautiful designs and ideas you can see in this my video. Beautiful light colors, stylish dark colors, beautiful color combination contrasts you can see in this my video. You can wear this very beautiful shoes design in the birthday party or wedding party. Every types of shoes you can see in this my video. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. For pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and attractive women stylish shoes designs, comfortable shoes designs, stylish slippers, chappal designs, best designer ideas you can see in this my video. Top designer ideas, top quality shoes designs and ideas you can see in this my video.